This is the new row 2. So since nakuha na nato ang new row 2 na to, mag-proceed ta sa next. 1, 3, 4, then copy the new row 2, 0, 1, negative 8 over 7, and 0, negative 11, and negative 19. So same process, lagyan po na itong buhaton gain na R3 plus R2 is equals to R3. So since this is negative 11, mag-multiply ta sa row 2 og positive 11. 11 R2 equals 11 times 0 equals 0. 11 times 1 equals 1. 11 times negative 8 over 7 equals 88 over 7. Copy na to ang row 3. 0, negative 11, negative 19. 0 plus 0 is 0. Positive 11 plus negative 11 equals 0. Negative 88 over 7 plus negative 19 is equals to negative 45 over 7. So this is our new row 3. Negative 7 over 45. So same process ra sa tong gibuhat diri. Negative 7 over 45 times 0 is equals to 0. Negative 7 over 45 times 0 is equals to 0. Negative 7 over 45 times negative 45 over 7 is equals to 1. So this is our new row 3. So this is our new matrix. Matrix 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, and 4, negative 8 over 7, and 1. So to identify the rank, ang rank kay 0 tanan ang column. So makita na to diha nga walay 0 di ba tanan. So ang atong rank ay 3. And to identify the nullity, rank minus the column. So we have 3 columns, so minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is our nullity and rank.